in harmony with nature was always my goal. And so can I farm in a way that is riding the wave of what nature's already providing and not so much like at odds with her? It's therapeutic to be among these plants growing and feeding us. And this circle is very purposeful to me in that I want people to really feel held by nature's abundance. I want them to feel provided for. I want it to be so like visceral that you're like watching the pollination, watching the plants grow, seeing the abundance and feeling embraced by it here. Pretty much from like the moment we set foot here, I was all about how much food can I grow and what can I put in the ground, because there was no food really growing here before. There was a couple walnut trees, maybe one old apple tree. Even if I don't sell an ounce of this to the community, this farm is sinking carbon. This farm is providing a haven for wildlife, right? There's so many ways in which this farm still gives, even if I don't have a soul out here, right? It's doing something. I'm not spraying it with pesticides. This farm is built with hands of people that wanted to be connected to the soil, wanted to get in touch with their food, and that energy lives here, right? Both in the annual crops, but more importantly in the perennial crops, the crops that just come year after year. Like I look at my olive trees and I remember the person that came and helped me do that as a volunteer on the farm, as a farm student. I feel so fortunate to be doing this work at this time. There's only one thing more important than this work to me, and that is raising and educating our children. Thoughtful, mindful, caring young children for the future, and creating a future by creating regenerative spaces. We are doing the best, most important work in the world.